I'm gonna do a room tour at 8234 on the Carnival Pride. It's a little bit different room.
It's an accessible cabin.
Our light fixtures, and there's a couple of drawers here, which I'll move this here. Has your save. It looks like other toiletries down there too. Got storage there, right underneath the TV. And got the fridge over here. In the vanity section. And there's, looks like there's 4 little drawers with the hair dryer in that one. And the rest are your normal typical drawers. Got the bed with the 2 end tables as usual. And we got Dave in the room too. And the bathroom's different since it is an accessible room. Got the toilet there. And this whole area is actually the shower area. That's the seat there with railings and your shampoo and shower gel. The vanity area with the sink. All right. And you got your hanging closets here. These out. Hangers and shelving, and of course your life jackets.
Yeah, we didn't book this room.
Yeah.
And we originally booked a, it was a 4J, one of the floor-to-ceiling window rooms on deck 2 behind the lifeboats, but they upgraded us here. We got an upgrade offer a couple months ago, and this is the room we ended up with. So
yeah,
well, something a little different layout. I mean, being an accessible cabin, they must have just not needed them. I don't know, but no, it's nice.
Yeah.
And the best part's the balcony.
Yes.
So
let's go on the balcony. It's like the big reveal with the curtain. All right, you can lead the way, dear. Open up the door.
yes.
All right. All right. We got 1 lounger here. They got 2 chairs and a table. And all the way over here is another lounger. Have a party out here, man. All right, guys. That's a tour of 8234 on the Carnival Pride.